Heiser. Please like and subscribe. Top. 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 Assistant. Yeah, make me your go-to eye. Set me as your digital assistant to get quick answers, send text, and handle tasks from anywhere on your device. Go to settings. Choose Copilot as your default in settings, then come back to your learn how to launch me from anywhere. Yeah, call me on from anywhere with quick gestures. Leave me the app to try this out. Press and hold first option, second swipe, and word from the bottom left corner. Hi, how are you?
Hey Brian, I'm doing great. It's always nice to have a little late night chat. How's everything in Kazakhstan treating you tonight?
No. I need with Fargo City. Thanks.
Right now, Brian, over in Fargo, they're dealing with some...
Thanks. I want to learn more about the last news in the US.
Alright, jumping right into the Russian. I like it. Nope. Давай продолжим так. Anything on your mind?
No. Stop. Please like and subscribe.